Okay, it's time for a grocery haul. I did not go crazy, but there's plenty here for you to see. All right, I think this is the best, okay? Let's see. Yep, dry roasted peanuts. That's the only ingredient that you want. You don't want the salt, you don't want any of that, okay? Unsalted. My hubby likes these, peanut butter. I did get some sandwich bags. And my son, he's gonna make a what? What's it called? A chocolate cheesecake?
A bean render.
A bean render. All right. Yes, so he needs that for the crust. All right, so my son came to me and said, I miss when you used to make this flavor. So for Valentine's Day, I know it's the garbage, so we'll see what's up. And then we got organic, non-GMO, ranch. You could put that in pasta, a healthy pasta, or just a salad. And then balsamic vinaigrette. I really like that. That's a good one. They're both great. And when my mother-in-law comes over, I put 2 of these boxes together, and it makes the best ever in the world. This is a great cake. I'm not saying ingredients-wise. Okay, and then another one. We go through these because it's small, you know. Okay, extra virgin olive oil, non-GMO, and that's about it. I love these in my salad, okay? Really fun. I got 2 of those.
Connor!
And my husband likes the honey roasted peanuts. I don't know, I know they are good, but I wonder if it's a guy thing too. Let me know. All right, we got an almond milk original. That's what we drink here. All right, so my son likes the brownie, the mac and cheese, and the chicken, the carcass. So we got 2 of those. He's been in search of a nice tasting pizza that's not expensive, so Stouffer's is a good brand. So we'll see. Excuse me. All right, we got those. And then, you know, I've come to the conclusion that I just love pizza. And so every day, probably, I would like to eat it. It doesn't mean I'm going to stay like that forever, but as of now, I mean, I just have to do it.
What?
I want to do it.
What?
Have pizza. Every day. All right, I got 2 of those almond milks. Okay, and what else? Oh, this is for the, he's going to make that chocolate cheesecake from scratch, and it is phenomenal. And I personally love orange and chocolate together, so that is for me. Oh my gosh, chocolate and like a healthy chocolate with orange flavoring, forget it. This here is pesto. I chose this one because I didn't see any soy products in it. And then, you never want to eat the table salt, okay? You should do Himalayan pink salt or sea salt. This here, I needed these containers, so this here will go to like some kind of, I don't know, like a scrub we can make for our hands or something. Yeah, because that will rob your body of minerals. What do we got in here? What do we got in here? Oh my goodness. You want to see a beautiful thing? All right, here we go. Whole pickled beets. Oh yeah. Ever since I was a little... Huh?
You sound like a dying cow.
Oh,
I
great.
got the wrong thing.
Oh. Okay, there's 2 of these. Okay? Because Mama likes these. Ever since I was a kid, I used to sit in class and I could smell the cafeteria, and I always knew when they were cooking beets, and I used to get really excited. Don't ask me why. Okay, and now we got the pepper. How do you say this? Pepper. Oh, how do you say this?
Pepperoni!
No, it's not. Pepperoncini. Pepperoncini. Something like that. All right. Those are really great in a salad.
Where's the blender thing?
A blender thing. All right. Some people like fresh vegetables, which is me. Some people like frozen vegetables, not so much me. And some people love the can. That would be me. And my children prefer the French style over the other kind, the whole ones. I could care less, either way.
No.
All right, I got 4 cans of those. Oh man, it doesn't say no salt. Usually I'm good with that. Okay, I got 4 cans of those, and then you know what else? Oh la la, sauce, sauce. Oh la la. Don't open that. No, don't. I have brown sugar. Don't you dare. Because I'm not paying for it. Look, chickpeas. These are great protein. Yay. That's what hummus is made out of. Did you know that? Okay, this is fabuloso. Obviously, you can just get cabbage. It'll be cheaper. This has purple cabbage and white cabbage and carrots and oh, it's all right there. Huh, what do you know? But I love this. You can either just whip it with mayo and your favorite dressings to make coleslaw or throw it in your salad. See, these are great ingredients to clean out your liver. And Lord, oh Lord knows that we need to clean our livers. Oh, okay. And then Miffy, our bunny, likes bananas. Oh, yes. Usually I get organic. They were 69 cents a pound, so I said, forget about it. All right. And I really didn't want to do this, but I can't stop everybody from eating this. Oh, these poor little carcasses. Oh, these poor babies. But anyway, I'll make meatballs with this and then freeze some for my daughter. Okay. So I got 2 of those, $9.54 and $8.68. I like going for these little sales. All right. Okay, got 2 of those. All right, we got sub rolls that I'm gonna freeze. I got 3 of them, 3 bags. 1, 2, 3. All right, and then this is for the bathroom. All right, this is for the bathroom. And then for me and Miffy and whoever else, I love the spring mix. Oh my goodness, I love feeling like a rabbit myself. I just love vegetables. And then we got more carcass. This is Italian, of course, right? Chicken sausages. God bless them. And we're gonna return this, but we got Waffle Sugar and Waffle Flour. Actually, unbleached is better. We're gonna return that because I have some already. And what are you making again?
Nothing.
Aww. All right, well, we got ingredients to make some kind of cookie ice cream sandwiches. I got 1 16-ounce, 1 pound of butter. 1, 2, 3. This is for her recipe. Also, some blackberries. And she needed frozen bananas, which they're not going to be frozen if we keep them out. So we got them in this thing here. And a little milk to make these other recipes that we're making today. And let's see. Oh boy. What else do we got? All right. Artichokes in the can. These were $2. My son likes those a lot. And, oh no, you guys ended up getting the sugar-free. Why? It has Splenda in it. I can't have that. None of you are going to eat that. Splenda is artificial and it will hurt the body. So that it goes back in the returns. Oh yeah, there's our green beans. More green beans. We got a lot of tuna. Things falling off. I usually get chunk and solid so that it's cheaper for the chunk, but it's kind of grosser. So I buy both solid and I put them together. And you'd never know the difference. All right, there's 2 of those artichokes. And more tuna. All right. And I do like to buy carrots without the stems, but Miffy, the bun, likes the greens. So I got that. I got some other green. I don't even know what this is. See if he'll like it. Curly mustard. All right, my mommy's calling. So we'll see if he likes those. I got a lot of dill. Did you ever see what dill looks like naturally? There it is. There it is. It's in there. That's dill. And like I said, I got another one of these coleslaw. bags. And the banana fell off. And for Myth, he likes Brussels sprouts. These are really great with tahini and soy sauce, or just peanut butter and soy sauce and sesame oil. Excellent. All right, we're almost done. That's trash. What do we got over here? Oh, for my son. My son's, what is it? Chocolate cheesecake. He's got 4 of these. I said, does it have to be Philadelphia? And he says, that's what I always use, so you can't mess with what you know and what works. See? There it is. Okay. There it is. There it is. Stack them high, stack them low. Okay, I think that is it. Oh, we did buy Italian bread, and I was bad. I did eat it with my vegan butter. So, remember we always talk... Yeah, we always talk about moving forward, right? We fail, and then we keep making those steps. So my vegan butter, to me and my health, is better than if I had the bread and the butter. Am I making excuses?
Yeah.
Yes. So I just wanted to let you know what I bought. And yeah, they know the big Italian loaves. All right, so God bless you all. I hope you enjoy my grocery haul. Tomorrow, I think I'll go to my discounted grocery store and get things like bread and more butter, things that are cheaper over there. All right, so we'll talk to you later. God bless you, and remember that God is good all the time. Amen.